Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Umair bin Nur Azlan. Now, I made this video for my assignment 2 in course data structure and algorithm analysis, which is disease and treatment recommender. Now, I want to show you guys how do the program run or how the coding works.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, the first coding is a medical class, which is the subclass of my medical class. It is filled with data fields and construct. For data field, I only put 4 fields of data, which is disease, symptom, treatment, and problem. These fields are private, meaning they can only be accessed and modified within the class itself. Then, I use the construct method to initialize the characteristic of object medical. This allows the creation of medical objects with specific details about a medical record. After that, I fill it with getter method. I put the method to all data fields. For example, the data field disease equals to get disease. These methods provide read access to the private fields. They are used to retrieve the values of the fields from outside the class. Setter method is also to provide read access to the private fields. They are used to retrieve the values of the fields from outside the class too. This method keeps the data safe from accidental changes and keeps the object's information accurate. Next, I create the medical list class. This class is created to manage a collection of object medical data records. It provides add, update, remove, search, and display functions. Before that, let us look at number 1. We start with the class fields, which is creating an array to store object medical. Then we declare a counter to keep track of number of records in current list. For constructor, we initialize the object medical array to specify size and sets the counter to 0 as shown at number 2. After that, we add the methods to make the function of the program. The first method, which is add record, as we can see in number 3. This method is to add new medical information if there is space available. The program will only ask the name of disease, symptom, treatment, and problem. If the list is full, it will print list is full. Furthermore, look at number 4. We have the display record. This method is to show the user all the disease information that already keeps in the data. We also have method display record in bracket integer index in number 5. This method is designed to display the information of the disease based on its position. The method first checks if the provided index is valid. It should be between 0 and counter -1. This ensures that the index is within the range of currently stored records. If the index is valid, the method prints the details of the object medical at the index. It retrieves the information using getter methods of the class medical. Next, we have the update record in number 6. It is to update the record for the specified disease. The user will be asked to search for the record by disease name, and if found, they will be asked to update its symptom treatment and problem fields. If the disease is not found, it prints data not found. Besides, we have remove record method in number 7, and it's to remove the record for the specified disease. All the data about the disease will be disappeared after removing it. Lastly, we have search method to search the information of disease by entering the name of the disease. If the search is not found, it will print out disease not found. Okay, now we already reached the last class, which is the main class. We name it as My Medical. The main class is created to provide user the interactive menu so they can learn to use it at their own. The first number as shown above, we set the array of the medical list to 4, which is user can only enter the data not more than 4. If it reaches its limit, it will print out list is full. For number 2, this line of code calls the add record method on the medical list object, passing 4 strings as arguments: new disease, new symptom, new treatment, and new problem. The method is designed to create a new medical object with these details and add it to the medical array within the medical list. If the array has reached its maximum capacity, the method will print list is full and will not add the new record. For number 3, this line calls the update record method on the medical list object with the specified disease name and new details for symptom, treatment, and problem. The method first searches for a record with the given disease name using the search method. If the record is found, the method updates the respective fields of the medical object at the index with that new details. For number 4, it is called the remove record method on the medical list object with the specified disease name to remove. The method searches for the record with the given disease name using the search method. If the record is found, it shifts all subsequent medical objects in the array 1 position to the left to fill the gap, effectively removing the targeted record. The counter is then decremented by 1 to reflect the reduced number of records. For number 5, this method called displays all medical records currently stored in the medical list. The method iterates over the medical array up to the current counter value, printing the details, which is disease, symptom, treatment, and problem of each record. Lastly, which is number 6, the method called displays the details of a specific medical record at the given index. The method first checks if the provided index is within the valid range, which is between 0 and the current counter value -1. If the index is valid, it prints the details of the medical object at that index, which is disease, symptom, treatment, and problem. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all from me. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.